ओके, बाकी तुम लोग सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स भी फॉलो करते ही हो आर्ट फ्रीक्स के, लाइक इंस्टा, फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब चैनल भी है हमारा।
यस सर।
ओके, ठीक है। अब जिन्होंने ब्रोशर गो थ्रू किया है, जिन्होंने नहीं किया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दिस मीट इज फॉर दैट ओनली। ओके, सो 5:59 हो रहा है और अभी वी हैव 82 पार्टिसिपेंट्स। ठीक है, ट्राई करेंगे कि 100 क्रॉस हो तो शुरू कर दें। ओके, प्रेजेंटर है, मैं बुला लेता हूँ उनको। सो गाइस, ऑफिशियल टाइम तो हो चुका है, बट वी आर गिविंग 5 मिनट्स रिलैक्सेशन। तो अभी भी जिनको बुलाना है बुला लो। ठीक है, 93 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हुए हैं। कोई भी एक सेकेंड यार, मेरे को जब निहारिका मैम प्रेजेंट करना शुरू करेंगी, ठीक है, एड्रेस करना शुरू करेंगी, तो मेरे को याद दिला देना कि रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन करनी है। ओके,
ओके।
एंड जितने भी फ्रेशर्स हैं, अगर मीट के बीच में इफ़ वी आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, सो देयर इज़ अ रिएक्शन बटन यू कैन सी इन योर डेस्कटॉप और फोन, and there you have an option to raise your hand. So if we ask some question during the meet, you can raise hand, and when we finish the question, you can drop your hands. Okay, so we'll get to know the response of all of you. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's 6:03. Is Niharika with us? Niharika?
यस।
So shall we start? किसी किसी के
हाँ।
कोई फ्रेंड है क्या जिनको आना है अभी, या फिर आर दे वेटिंग फॉर देम? Or shall we start, freshers? ओके, तो आई गेस शुरू करना चाहिए निहारिका। Yeah.
Okay. So, hi everyone. The wait finally ends here and it's time to get started. So, I'm Niharika and I warmly welcome you all to this meeting. Today, I will introduce you all to a beautiful family of artists. Also, we bring you the opportunity to be a part of our family and paint an alluring canvas of your college life. Before I proceed further, I would like to state some rules that you must follow to maintain the decorum of this session. Firstly, try to maintain discipline. Don't resort to any wrong actions during the meet. If found otherwise, suitable action will be taken by the authority. And just a disclaimer, guys, DSW officials are present in disguise amongst you. So please follow the code of conduct to avoid any gifts from them. If we ask any yes or no questions, those in favor can use the raise hand option and we'll get to know the estimate of people agreeing to us. Secondly, if you have any doubts during the meet, type the same in the chat box and we'll definitely address it. Moreover, we have allotted a certain amount of time for a doubt clearing session at the end of this meet. So that's pretty much it. I hope it's clear to all. And if you all are excited and all geared up to proceed, just raise your hands and reflect your enthusiasm so that we can also be assured that you are acquainted with the feature. So raise your hand, guys. You can see that option in the reactions button. Wow, that's great. Okay.
It's really great. Yeah, Niharika.
So we have a really, really enthusiastic audience with us today. So delighted to see your response. So now we can finally start with all the fun that's in store for you this evening. So hey everyone, once again, we are Art Freaks, the official art club of IIT ISM Dhanbad. So firstly, hearty congratulations to all of you on getting into IIT ISM. The hard work that you've put in through the last 2 years amidst all this COVID scare and gruesome lockdowns is genuinely commendable. I assure you that the next 4 or 5 years of your life will be the most memorable and fun-filled years. But guys, remember that if you're part of any cultural club of ISM, that fun and that craziness factor gets multiplied several times. Every one of us wants some beautiful memories of college, I guess, like when we take back with us whenever we graduate. So from being on the listener side, as you all are right now, to being the one introducing a family, I can say one thing for sure, that you should join at least one of the cultural clubs as they are the epicenters of all fun and activities. It doesn't necessarily have to be Art Freaks, but it can be any club of your choice, but do join. Now, I hope that you would have probably heard something about our club, Art Freaks, any of our activities. सुना होगा कि आर्ट क्लब है, प्रीवियस ईयर्स के फेस्ट के वीडियोस में देखा होगा ऑल द डेकोरेशन एंड द आर्टवर्क्स. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट आर्ट फ्रीक्स एंड सीन आर्टवर्क्स? कितनों ने सुना है? प्लीज यूज द रेज हैंड ऑप्शन वंस अगेन. That's great. That's great. Okay, so I guess I'll just pick few of you and ask what you know about us. Whatever you've heard about Art Freaks, anything related to it. So I guess Prerna.
Yes, ma'am. I have heard that. I have actually seen a lot of works. I have contacted a few of the seniors, and I also saw their work on Instagram. That is like amazing. I don't have words to
That's great to
express
hear.
that.
That's wonderful. That's great
And
to
also,
hear.
I have seen YouTube videos
Yes,
and painting of Tare Zameen Par
yes.
you guys have done. So I have seen that.
So
I'm
Prerna,
really
do those
excited.
artworks excite you?
Very much.
Like college जाना है and हमें भी वैसे artworks बनाने हैं.
हाँ, सीखना है.
Okay, yeah.
That's great. And Vaibhav? You want to say something? Vaibhav? Okay.
Next we have Shovit Verma. Do you want to say something?
Yes, sir. So I have seen a lot of artworks in different fields. So, like, I wanted to ask if and someone wants to bring a new form of art, like sculpting, I can do. So, is it available?
Yes. we have लाइक स्कल्पटिंग अपन करते हैं, जैसे कि हमारी आर्ट गैलरी होती है, ठीक है, फेस्ट के टाइम पे. सो इन दैट वी डू स्कल्पटिंग, ठीक है. वी हैव सम क्राफ्ट वर्क आइटम्स एंड देयर वी डू स्कल्पटिंग.
क्ले मॉडलिंग वगैरह.
क्ले
and
मॉडलिंग भी
spot-
कर सकते हो, या लाइक
Okay.
डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ आर्ट फॉर्म्स विच एवर यू वांट टू प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है. ऑल यू कैन डू हियर.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So anyone else?
I guess that's it.
Yeah, so let's proceed.
Okay.
Niharika.
Huh. So, to those who don't know much about us, allow us to enchant your imagination with the magical spell of Art Freaks.
So was the video lagging? Can anyone respond?
Yes, sir.
So Omkar, can you
Yes,
present?
sir.
So can you play it once again? Omkar.
Oh, sure.
So किसी ने ये वीडियो पहले देखा है क्या?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So जिसने yes sir बोला है, can you tell? तुमने कहाँ देखा है वीडियो?
सर शेयर किया गया था, जैसे
Okay.
काफी लोगों ने लगाया
So
भी था
this was
जैसे-
kind of teaser video for our inductions, ठीक है. और जिन्होंने नहीं देखा था, क्या उन्होंने अब देख लिया ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So now we proceed. Next.
So, hi everyone. My
Okay,
name is
next I
Adhyay.
have Adhyay with us. Yeah, Adhyay.
Yeah, sorry. So, hi everyone. My name is Adhyay Tharwal. I am a pre-final year student and a member of Art Freaks. First of all, I would like to thank Niharika for that wonderful introduction. And I would like to, I hope everybody enjoyed that teaser video because I really loved it. It reminded me of my own inductions, which were held offline on campus. And I really feel sad for you guys. Fingers crossed. Hope you guys are called back to campus as soon as possible. So coming back to the inductions, I'm going to talk about what our purpose is, what Art Freaks does, and what Art Freaks is known for. So if you ask anybody in the campus about Art Freaks, they will tell you that these are the people who decorate the campus during our fests, like Srijan, Concito, Basant, etc. So can you take the next slide, please? Okay. Yeah. So these are a few of the artworks that we have prepared. And I would like to talk more about the things that we do during our fests. So basically, we change the boring view of our campus into something magical. We add that soul to all the fests with our decorations. So basically, we like prepare big artworks which are displayed all around the campus, wherein we make which are according to the theme of the fest. So a lot of people go and take pictures at those stations, and we also make street art, which is also very cool. And if you are on campus, you can see all our previous works, all our street arts. So that's also very fun, and it's not all about the final product. It's more about the entire process of making the artwork. So when you are working with all your friends together, pulling out all-nighters and stuff, that really helps you bond with your friends, and the entire experience is something very different. It's once in a lifetime kind of experience. These are the days that you will remember in the future. These are the kind of memories that you talk, which you tell to all your grandchildren कि अरे हाँ मैं अपने कॉलेज में ये करता था वो करता था, kind of like that. Besides that, we also conduct professional workshops about which our other members are going to talk in the future. Well, abhi inductions में they'll talk about it. So you can see a few of the works which were done by our seniors on the screen right now. And about the workshops, these workshops are either conducted by someone professional, we call them from outside, so they are like professional artists, and or they are conducted by the senior club members also. I myself have conducted a session on Blender 3D. Also, these sessions are open for everyone, so anyone can attend, and they will happen in the near future only. Within a month or two, you will get all the information, and more about this later, so stay tuned for that. Besides that, we also do a lot of fun activities like face painting, t-shirt painting, live sketching, etc. These all competitions are held during the fests only. So you can see on your screen like the face painting winners, which were given during Basant of 2019. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, all the fests and fun activities have been cancelled for the last 2 years. But we still have fun, a lot of fun in our club actually. In fact, we have an entire section, a fun section dedicated to tell you guys about what kind of fun activities that we do in our club. In fact, recently only on 1st of Jan, we did this party, which was exclusive for all the club members, which was very lit. And it was like the only party which happened in the campus. So it was not an official party, it was just a get together that we had, and it was very fun. And unfortunately, your immediate seniors, the 20J batch, could not join us because of the COVID restrictions. But other people who were present on campus that time really had fun. I myself was present there, and it was lit, I would like to say. Also, we conduct national level competitions like our flagship event, Outshine and Pixels. So Pixels first is a competition wherein we take in entries of digital art from people of various backgrounds. So you can be professional artist, you can be a college going student or a school student. Anybody, you should just know how to make good digital art, and it should be made by you. So you can give your entry. And last year we held it at a large scale. So the winners of the competitions were given a Wacom tablet, and we are planning to make it on a bigger scale this year. Another event that we conduct is Outshine, which is the biggest event that Artfreaks conducts, and it will be held within a month or so, wherein people can give their entries, their artworks from any media. So it can be a watercolor artwork or a poster colors, acrylic or digital art, anything. It should just be made by you, and it should be an artwork. So these are the few winners of the previous Outshines iterations, as you can see on your screen. And it is compulsory for you guys, if you want to enter into our club, to take part in Outshine. So please take a note of that. And more on that later again. Other members will talk more about Outshine. And I hope you guys, someone from you guys wins the Outshine this year. And coming to other stuff that we do is take part in inter-college competitions. Like we had taken part in Inter-IIT Cultural Meet, which was held in 2019. Unfortunately, this was not held last year and last year because of COVID pandemic. But hopefully, if the pandemic recedes, it would be held next year, or at least next to next year. So you have a chance of going to these competitions, and it is a very nice experience to have. So our seniors went to IIT Bombay for this event. There are a lot of different competitions in which people from different IITs take part in. And for that, they had prepared for 2 months in the winter. So they stayed back in the campus only during the winter vacation to prepare for the inter-IT meet. And then they went there. And it's not just about the competitions also, no? It's about the fun that you have with your friends. You're staying with your friends for 2 months. The bonding that you have with your friends is just insane. It's out of this world. And you also get to visit this new city and get to meet other people from other colleges with similar interests. It's something which is very life changing, I would say. And I hope you guys get the chance to attend such competitions. Coming to the biggest event of Art Weeks for every member, this is the flagship event of Art Weeks. So the next slide, please. Okay. This is the art gallery that we conduct. So this is held during Basan. This is another fest of our college, and it was held in our first year. So that time it was at such a scale that there was another concert happening, and there was a lack of crowd at that concert because everybody was coming to our art gallery. And in fact, the authorities had to shut down the lights at our art gallery just so that they could lower the audience to go to the concert. And that's the level of our art gallery event. And you can ask anybody about this. It's the latest place. It's the hottest place to be in during Basant. So more about this later. And now I would like Disha to continue and elaborate about the art gallery. Thank you.
So, good evening, everyone. It is great to see your response. So, I am Disha Mewara, a second year student and a member of Art Peaks. One of the main events of the club include the Art Gallery in Basant, one of the major fests of IITSM Dhanbad. The Art Gallery acts as one of the most significant events. Our art gallery charms people with the delicacies of art. The artworks ranging from charcoal to acrylic, from oil paintings to the craft works, and art styles ranging from hyperrealism to surrealism. It lets you escape into the world of art marvels and lures your creativity. So now let's have a sneak peek into our Basant Art Gallery. Next video. So, as you have seen the art gallery, I would like to know how are you feeling, everyone? Please raise your hand or you can show some emojis.
Yeah, so I guess the screen is filled with all these lit and love emojis.
Okay.
Okay,
So moving
Disha, you can
forward,
proceed.
yeah. After traversing through the work we do in our club, let's go through some fun stuffs as well. Numerous treats and parties, all-nighters during events, and those satisfactory early morning chais and RD. Making street arts, setting up the art gallery, having workshops, exciting events, and many more. And playing with the different art styles and medium is a pleasure in itself, isn't it? So, and from missing families to make one at Art Peaks, it's a joy in itself. So let's have a look at our fun trip to Mumbai during IIT Cultural Meet.
like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly free. The days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly free. Hey! Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing all shadows. Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing all shadows.
So I know it was so fascinating. So let's have a glance at how we celebrate festivals together as a family.
Way outside, you said it won't be long. Took your time. Racing mind, I know there's something wrong. Wonder why. Tell me why. No one else was you and I. Tell me now, talk it out. Hit it like I didn't notice, no. I think you should know, you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way. I think you should know, you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow, till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way.
Okay, so moving on. Now Prachi will address about the workshops.
So now that you have witnessed the fun we do, it's about time that I, Prachi Singh, tell you about the workshops we conduct. Some of you might have this notion that Art Freaks is only for them who are good at art. But I can confidently assure you that this is just a myth. When we joined Art Freaks, many among us were just beginners, just starting to get a head start, but we all moved together and improved and evolved as artists. We at Art Freaks are just looking out for those who are willing to work hard and put in efforts. We have conducted numerous workshops in various domains such as basic shading, sketching techniques, watercolor, basic human anatomy, and also digital and 3D artwork. See, some of us did digital artwork for the first time, but let us surprise you with how they turned out. Now, we would also like to show you some developmental changes in our artistic skills. Seniors' fun way of teaching and supportive nature helped us get through any difficulties we faced, which is quite evident from our artworks as well. We'll also conduct a few fine art workshops before the recruitment in which we'll teach you guys the basics. And I assure you that all of you will have something really beautiful made by the end of the day. We'll share all the details regarding the platform of its conduction, the medium to be used on our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, so make sure that you are part of either of it. Don't worry about the mediums. We'll try to use those which are remotely available to all of you. Also, all the important links will reach out to you via your CRs, so no need to worry about that as well. Now, for further queries regarding recruitment, you can ask your doubts at the end of the session, and people not comfortable asking here can DM any of the seniors or ask us on our social media handles.
So moving on, next we have Rishi Raj with us. He'll address you about our achievements, which we have. So Rishi.
So hello everyone, my name is Rishi Raj and I am a second year student pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Civil Engineering. So let me tell you about the past achievements of our club. I think some of you fellas know about the Inter-IIT Cultural Meet, or if not, you would have definitely heard about it. Let me throw some light on it so that all of you have a basic idea about it. So it's an event where the cultural clubs of different IITs come together to compete with each other in various events like dance events, stand-up events, music events, and art-related events. Now that you guys have an idea about how much fun and adrenaline-driven these cultural meets are, so let's talk about the laurels we brought back with us. In 2017, we were the second runner-up in the costume designing competition, while in 2018, we bagged the first position in charcoal art and first position in the character design too. And in overall category, we were the second runner-up in the 2018. In 2019, we were the fourth runner-up in the rebranding competition. So because of the obvious reason you all know, Inter-IIT Cultural Meet was not held for the past 2 years, but let's hope that it is organized this year, giving you a chance to participate and compete with your friends from other IITs, having a lot of fun alongside. Also, we designed the official logo of Triple IT Ranchi in 2018. So here it is, the official logo. So with all this, I am rooting that many of you are filled with excitement and burning desire to achieve greatness for and with the Art Freaks family. Okay, sir.
So, guys, it's very encouraging for us to see your enthusiasm, but it is highly regrettable that we have been constrained behind these glass screens for so long by the pandemic. But despite all storms, Art Freaks moves forward stronger than ever, attaining immortality in the hearts of all art-loving Isamites. Here we will take on you all on a short trip 5 years down the memory lane, a depiction of all the moments, memories, and sleepless nights that makes Art Freaks what it is today.
Way away.
why join us? Join us to recognize yourself, your potential, and your passion, to celebrate the spirit of teamwork and widen your horizon of thought. Besides improving your artistic skills, level up your personality and develop the skills of oration as well as management. All that is expected from your side is the passion, perseverance, and patience to learn and grow. Even if you desire to begin your journey as an artist, we expect nothing but your enthusiasm and dedication towards the club.
So Omkar, did that video stopped in between? I guess that video was not played. Omkar? Hello? Yeah, so Prachi, can you repeat your part once again?
So, why join us? Join us to recognize yourself, your potential, and your passion, to celebrate the spirit of teamwork and widen your horizon of thought. Besides improving your artistic skills, level up your personality and develop the skills of oration and management. All that is expected from your side is the passion, perseverance, and patience to learn and grow. Even if you desire to begin your journey as an artist, we expect nothing but your enthusiasm and dedication towards our club.
Okay, so that was all, I guess. Soumya, you can wait. I want to interact with the juniors, and after that, you should tell about the Outshine 2022. Okay. So,
Okay.
juniors, how was that? How do you feel about the Art Freaks induction? Any specific person you wanna tell something? Okay, so I can see the chat box. OP, amazing, sir. Yeah. Anyone who can unmute himself or herself? So among 190 participants, no one?
Sir, Kavya raised her hand.
Yeah, Disha?
Sir,
Kavya
Yeah.
Sharma.
Say.
sir, they are all very amazing.
Okay. So after this, you definitely want to join our club now?
Yes, sir, but also I'm thinking because there are various interests, so it's very confusing which club to join because this is also
Okay,
very
so
nice.
you should attend all the inductions, yeah, and you should try to get into one of those clubs, okay?
So, all the paintings and sketches are just awesome. They are very pretty and very fascinating.
Yeah, and that is all about the teamwork that Art Freaks has, okay? And you will get to know all these and you will see all those when we will have fest in our college, okay? So anyone else? Anyone else want to say something?
The artworks are really electrifying. They just seem like we are in a very different world of just art.
Okay. So similar reactions. Anything
So
else?
street painting was something that was very fascinating and attractive.
Yeah, स्ट्रीट पेंटिंग देखने में जितना अच्छा है उसको बनाने में उतना ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है बिकॉज स्ट्रीट पेंटिंग अपन पूरे रात मतलब जग करके बनाते हैं उसको फेस्ट के टाइम पे सो
ये
दैट
so लग भी रहा था
काइंड ऑफ
काफी।
एक्सपीरियंस या ओके सो
Sir,
मैं
and
ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं
also,
लूँगा हाँ ओके सो दैट्स ऑल या थैंक यू इफ एनीवन वाज स्पीकिंग मतलब टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट है इसीलिए मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा ठीक है सो सौम्या यू कैन टेल देम अबाउट आउटसाइड and
Yes.
after that we'll have a kind of a Q&A for 5 to 10 minutes.
So, good evening, everyone. I hope you are doing well. I am Soumya Agrawal, a second year student and a member of Art Freaks. By far, you have seen that Art Freaks conducts various exciting events, and one of them is Outshine. So, Outshine is an annual online art event that aims at providing everyone a common platform to showcase their artistic side. So, try to push through your boundaries and create an artwork that outshines others. Now, participation in Outshine is mandatory to get selected in Art Freaks and send the best artwork of yours, or you could also make a new one after attending the workshops, as the event will be conducted after the workshops. Also, don't worry about the exact timeline or the rule book, as the details of the event will be posted on our social media handles. So, make sure that you stay updated with the information regularly. Now, the meet is open for all your queries. You can ask your doubts now. Thank you.
Okay, so that was all from our side, and that was all about the Art Freaks induction. Now, if few people have any doubts, you can unmute yourselves and ask us, or if you have any problem in asking, you can type in the chat box, and there are people from second year or from Art Freaks, and they'll answer from our side.
sir, will there be any workshop?
Yes. This was the first step, okay, the Art Freaks induction. And next we have, we'll conduct workshop, and I guess 2 to 3 workshops. मान के चलो कि 2 workshops होंगी, ठीक है? And in that, we'll have hatching workshop, ठीक है? And the second one will be based on face sketching anatomy, ठीक है? जो कि हमारे seniors ही लेंगे. एंड चिंता करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है ठीक है सिर्फ इन दैट यू ओनली रिक्वायर बेसिक स्टफ लाइक पेन पेपर इरेजर्स ठीक है मतलब तुम्हें कोई भी डिफरेंट मीडियम की चीज़ें खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ठीक है ऑल दोज बेसिक स्टफ्स विच यू हैव एट होम उसी से तुम्हें ट्राई करना है ठीक है और जो भी सीनियर सिखाएंगे उनको तुम्हें यूज़ करके सीख करके और बना करके रखना है एंड दैट आर्ट वर्क we'll ask you at the time of recruitment. So is it clear to you all? So it is necessary to attend both the workshops from your side if you want to join Artfreaks. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask that what will be the recruitment process, sir? I know only.
Process. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Sir,
You finish yourself. Yeah. Let him finish the question, Omkar. वापस से बोल सकते हो क्या? Who was that?
Sir, he was asking about
Sir,
recruitment.
what will be the recruitment process, sir? Process क्या होगा?
तो
Yes, sir.
पहले तो हम वर्कशॉप्स कराएंगे 2 से 3.
Yes, sir.
सभी ऑनलाइन होंगी ऑन गूगल मीट और Zoom. We'll let you know about that. So you just have to attend that and we'll give you some homework. तो जो हमने सिखाया है वही तुम्हें करना होगा. साथ साथ भी करेंगे, बाद में तुम्हें चाहिए तो तुम प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हो एंड देन वील schedule your interviews. So you just have to interview with us and show whatever you have done in the workshop.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
मैं एक और ब्रीफ दे देता हूँ. जैसे कि YouTube चैनल है हमारा, सभी को पता होगा कि Artfreaks का YouTube चैनल है, ठीक है. So you make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel because जो भी workshops होंगे वो उसी पे लाइव स्ट्रीम होगा, ठीक है. So don't worry, वो वीडियो सेव्ड भी रहेगी हमारे प्लेलिस्ट पे, ठीक है. तो उस वर्कशॉप को देख करके मतलब तुम्हें लाइव तो अटेंड करना ही है, ठीक है. बट अगर तुम्हारा कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाता है लाइव करते टाइम, सो तुम बाद में उस वीडियो को देख करके एंड अपना आर्टवर्क कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. एंड दैट आर्टवर्क यू विल हैव टू शो ड्यूरिंग द रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस. और जो रिक्रूटमेंट होगा वो भी ऑनलाइन होगा, ठीक है. जितनों को रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस के लिए गूगल फॉर्म एक सर्कुलेट होगा, ठीक है. और टाइमिंग्स अलॉट होंगी. हाँ, इंडिविजुअल टाइमिंग्स अलॉट होंगी कि हाँ कौन सा सीनियर तुम्हारा रिक्रूटमेंट ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं. और उस बेसिस पे तुम्हारा मतलब इंटरेस्ट देखेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है. और फिर जितने भी आर्टवर्क्स तुम्हारे पास प्रीवियस हैं या फिर तुमने वर्कशॉप में बनाया है वो सारा हम लोग देख करके जज करके एंड विल टेक यू इन Artfreaks. ओके, सो इज दैट क्लियर? या मेरे को काफ़ी लोग दिख रहे हैं चैट में कि डेट्स के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. या 1 सेकेंड. सो काफ़ी लोग डेट्स के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. सो डेट्स का ऐसा है कि वी आर नॉट येट श्योर कि कब होनी है, बिकॉज अथॉरिटी से भी हमें परमिशन लेना होता है, बाकी क्लब से भी पूछना होता है, ठीक है. सो जो भी होना है दिस विल बी कंडक्टेड ड्यूरिंग दिस मंथ ओनली और मैक्स 3, ठीक है. ज़्यादा लेट नहीं होगा, जनवरी तक ही हो जाना है सभी कुछ. ओके, वर्कशॉप्स और रिक्रूटमेंट भी. So any questions other than recruitment or anything?
This is an outshine contest. When is it gonna happen? Like, is there anything?
Okay, भी 1 वीक के अंदर प्रोसेस हो जाएगा, ठीक है. और ये इवेंट रिलीज हो जाएगा, ठीक है. हम लोगों ने एंट्रीज डाल रखे होंगे, ठीक है. तो मतलब हम लोग देखेंगे कि तुम लोगों ने आउटशाइन में अपनी एंट्रीज डाली हैं या नहीं डाली हैं, ठीक है. उस हिसाब से रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस में उसका भी वेटेज रहेगा. ओके, और तुम लोग सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स फॉलो करके रखना, सो यू विल गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन कि आउटशाइन कब होने वाला है एंड व्हाट आर द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस.
So please do follow our Instagram, Facebook handles and do subscribe our YouTube channels.
सर टेलीग्राम पे सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आती रहेंगी. टेलीग्राम पे.
Yes.
सभी सोशल मीडिया हैंडल पे, जैसे व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप बनी हुई है, टेलीग्राम पे बना हुआ है, सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स हैं. जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन सर्कुलेट होगा सभी पे सर्कुलेट होगा.
सर इंडक्शन की रिकॉर्डिंग मिल सकती है क्या? अभी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है जो.
या इंडक्शन की रिकॉर्डिंग मीट पे डल जाएगी. सॉरी, इंडक्शन की जो ये रिकॉर्डिंग है ये यूट्यूब चैनल पे डल जाएगी.
ओके सर.
ओके, सो क्या तुम लोग सभी एक बार अपना कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हो क्या? They want to take a screenshot. जितने भी जूनियर्स हैं, जितने लोग भी मीट में प्रेजेंट हैं, those who can. So second years तुम लोग भी screenshots ले लो. So इतना सीरियस बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेक्चर नहीं चल रहा है. काफी एंथुसियास्टिक इंट्रोडक्शन था, तो सभी लोग स्माइल करेंगे.
Say cheese, guys. Without unmuting.
Okay.
Cheese.
Okay, so that was all from our side. Thank you for attending everyone, the Art Freaks induction. Next we have Chainika Sankar induction na. So Vivek.
Yes, sir. And also, guys, if you guys feel discomfort in understanding the language, you can also feel free to contact me from South Indians, especially. I can clear your doubts.
Okay, so we have 10 minutes slot left. So do anyone have any more questions? So we can take for 5 minutes like question.
How many students are selected approximately per year?
Approximately per year. So that is dynamic, ठीक है. मतलब it is not a constraint. Like अगर हमें उस लेवल के मतलब उस लेवल का नहीं, मतलब अगर उतने enthusiastic लोग मिल रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो मतलब आई कांट से कि हाँ सिर्फ 10 लोग लूँगा मैं या 50% को लूँगा मैं, ठीक है. वो जूनियर्स के एंथुजियाज्म पे डिपेंड करता है कि हाँ कितने लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं, ठीक है, कितने लोग इंटरेस्ट शो कर रहे हैं क्लब में, ठीक है. सो देयर इज़ नॉट एनी लिमिट. अगर 50 बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं तो 50 को ले सकते हैं, ठीक है. So you don't worry about how many people we'll take. You just worry about on your skill making, okay? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my doubt was if I just wanted to contribute, मतलब मुझे सिर्फ कुछ artwork देना था या मतलब दिखाना था. Because I don't know if I will join the club or not, but I'm also interested in art too.
Yeah, sure. मतलब काफी लोग हैं जो क्लब में नहीं है बट अच्छी आर्टवर्क्स बनाते हैं, ठीक है. So it's not necessary कि
if I want to, sir.
Yeah, like contribute in what kind?
Like if there is some painting work or artwork that's requiring man. अगर अभी कुछ फेस्ट आ रहा है सर और उसके लिए हम लोग को कुछ आर्टवर्क बनाना है.
Okay.
तो अगर तभी उस टाइम पे कुछ जरूरत पड़े.
Okay. So तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम क्लब में नहीं रह के टाइम दे पाओगे?
कर सकता हूँ.
Okay, ठीक है. अगर तुम कर सकते हो तो श्योर we'll take your help. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Why do तुमको ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं करना है क्लब? कोई और क्लब
ज्वाइन नहीं करना है करके नहीं सर. अगर ज्वाइन नहीं
कर पाए तो
और भी मतलब सारे क्लब्स है तो मतलब हेक्टिक हो जाएगा सर. तो
I got your question. ठीक है. हमारी तरफ से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जितने लोग हेल्प करना चाहते हैं we are open to it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So anyone else?
सर प्रोसेस क्या होगा ज्वाइन करने का?
ज्वाइन करने का प्रोसेस मैंने बताया ना. रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस होगा, इंटरव्यूज होंगे, ठीक है. एक गूगल फॉर्म सर्कुलेट होगा जिसमें तुम्हें फिल करना होगा कि तुम्हें आर्ट फ्रीक्स के रिक्रूटमेंट में आना है, ठीक है. तो उस बेसिस पे इंटरव्यूज लेंगे, ठीक है. जो भी थर्ड ईयर्स होंगे वो इंटरव्यूज लेंगे और सभी चीज़ें तुम्हें कन्वे कर दी जाएंगी टाइम टू टाइम, ओके. और
थैंक यू सर.
सर एक बात
Outside participation also mandatory, guys. Remember. Outside participation.
सर आउटशाइन या फिर वो जो कोई भी वर्कशॉप होगा तो उसमें हम लोग अपना जो फ्रेम ड्राइंग्स वगैरह दिखा सकते हैं क्या? जो ऑलरेडी आगे बना के फ्रेम कर चुके हैं.
जो वर्कशॉप होगा, ठीक है, प्रीवियस दिखा सकते हो. प्रीवियस आर्टवर्क्स जितने भी जिनके पास भी हैं सभी दिखा सकते हो तुम लोग, ठीक है.
बट वो अगर फ्रेम्ड हुआ तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है. मतलब वी ओनली वांट कि उसका फोटोग्राफ तुम्हारे पास होना चाहिए, जेन्युइन होना चाहिए, ओके.
यस यस.
ओके. Okay, so anything else? Any different type of question? Like अगर कुछ छूट रहा हो.
How many clubs you are joined?
Yes.
In how many clubs you are enrolled, sir?
So yeah, okay. I am only in Art Freaks, and actually I am the club coordinator of Art Freaks.
सर क्योंकि सैटरडे से हम क्लब इंडक्शन कर रहे हैं तो पता नहीं
Okay.
ज्वाइन करेंगे.
किस क्लब में जाना है या किस क्लब को ज्वाइन करेंगे, ऐसा?
सारे अच्छे हैं सर.
अच्छा, देखो तो मैं ये प्रो टिप दे रहा हूँ कि कल्चरल क्लब्स मैनेज करना काफ़ी हेक्टिक होता है. मतलब अगर तुम सोचोगे कि मैं 5 कल्चरल क्लब ज्वाइन कर लूँगा, ठीक है, तो एट एनी गिवन टाइम तुम्हें छोड़ना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। मतलब 2 कल्चरल क्लब भी मैनेज करना इट्स लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है, ठीक है। एक टेक्निकल एक कल्चरल इज़ द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन, ठीक है। एक कल्चरल भी चलेगा, एक टेक्निकल भी चलेगा, बट 2 कल्चरल क्लब्स इज़ लाइक काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाता है। और अगर तुम सोचोगे कि डांस क्लब के साथ हो जाएगा तो इट्स वेरी वेरी हेक्टिक। एकेडमिक्स के साथ तुम नहीं कर पाओगे मैनेज, ओके। सो इंडक्शन
आप लोग कैसे मैनेज करते हैं सर, इतना कुछ करना, रात रात जाग के सब बनाना, फिर पढ़ाई वगैरह का भी प्रेशर?
भाई वो मतलब कॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस होता है, ठीक है। मतलब जैसे जेई के टाइम पे लोग एनी टाइम पढ़ते थे, ऐसा नहीं होता है कॉलेज में, ठीक है। वो तुम कॉलेज आओगे तो सब टाइम टू टाइम पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है। मतलब मैनेज हो जाता है। दिक्कत तभी आएगी अगर तुम 4-5 कल्चरल क्लब एक साथ ज्वाइन कर लोगे, ओके।
और फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होती इवेंट्स की, मतलब जो सीजन है ये लोग दे आर मंथ्स अपार्ट, 2-3 महीने।
और आर्ट फ्रीक्स का ऐसा होता है कि बस वी कंडक्ट वर्कशॉप्स, ठीक है, और मीटिंग्स, जनरल मीटिंग्स ऑन वीकेंड्स, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं है कि हर दिन बुलाते हैं। और जो भी हमारा मेन काम होता है वो कैंपस डेकोरेशन का होता है और आर्ट गैलरी होता है जो फेस्ट के टाइम पे होता है, ओके।
एंड अभी तो मत सोचो कि मैं ये ज्वाइन करूंगा वो ज्वाइन करूंगा, सारे इंडक्शंस पहले अटेंड कर लो, देन यू विल गेट अ फेयर आइडिया कि तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पर है।
एक्सप्लोर करना होता है, ठीक है, जिसमें तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है। प्रायोरिटी होती है ना कि हाँ मुझे ड्रामेटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, मुझे आर्ट में इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, मुझे डांस में इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, ठीक है। सभी के इंडक्शंस अटेंड करो, बट किसी एक को ही फाइनल करना, एक, या फिर अगर तुमसे 2 मैनेज हो पाएगा तो 2 कर सकते हो, बट 2 से ज़्यादा इट्स लाइक बहुत मुश्किल होता है। सो एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? So I guess wrap up करना चाहिए, ओमकार?
तो हाँ, ओके, so since we don't have any questions, we'll again take a quick photograph.
Yeah.
So again, please on your camera.
Stop the presentation, Omkar.
प्रेजेंटेशन बंद कर दो ओमकार, ओके।
Stop the presentation.
सो चैनिका संघ से आयुष्मान है क्या यहाँ पे?
हाँ वो आ चुका है।
अंशुमन तेजस्वी।
हाँ वो है वहाँ।
ओके। सो अंशुमन मैं तुम्हें होस्ट बना रहा हूँ, ओके। तुम कवर कर सकते हो यहाँ से, या। एंड ओमकार, ठीक है, तुम मीट लीव करोगे तो एंड मीट फॉर ऑल नहीं करना, ओमकार। सो अंशुमन तू, हाँ ओके ओके, होस्ट बन चुके हो ना?
यस यस।
Okay. So thank you freshers. See you again at the workshop and at the recruitment. Okay. Till then, see ya. Bye.